Hello, welcome back for another Starry Storytime with the Ward Beecher Planetarium. My name is Elainie, and I'm excited to be reading our story again this week. This week we'll be reading Sun, One in a Billion, written by Stacy McAnulty and illustrated by Stevie Lewis. Once upon a time, about 4.6 billion years ago, a magnificent and important star was born. And that magnificent and important star was me, your sun, with a capital S. Yes, I am a star. Star has two definitions in the dictionary. 1. A massive and luminous ball of gas full of energy. 2. An outstandingly talented and popular performer. I fit both definitions. The Milky Way galaxy has over 100 billion stars. That makes me 1 in a billion, or 1 in 100 billion. I'm not the biggest. So what? Not the brightest. Who cares? Not the oldest. Whatever. But I am the most important, at least to you Earthlings. Can you hang out for 8 minutes? That's how long it takes my light to reach Earth. Yup, I give you heat and light. You're welcome. I'm so important that Earthlings should name a special day in my honor. We can call it Sunday. Oh, wait. I'm famous for my heat and light, but I also hold our entire solar system together. Scientists call it gravity. What can I say? The planets are attracted to me. And because I'm the center of our solar system, life revolves around me, literally. So here's our solar system with all of the planets that revolve around the sun. Starting in the middle, we have Mercury, which goes around the sun every 88 Earth days. Then Venus, which goes around the sun every 225 Earth days. Then Earth. 1 year on Earth is 365 Earth days. Then Mars, which goes around the sun every 687 Earth days. Then Jupiter, which goes around the sun every 4,333 Earth days. Then Saturn, which goes around the sun every 10,756 Earth days. Then Uranus, which goes around the sun every 30,687 Earth days. And then Neptune, which goes around the sun every 60,190 Earth days. Look, they all go in the same direction. Those other stars are far, far away from Earth, which makes them look teeny tiny and not so important. I'm close, a mere 93 million miles from Earth. To an Earthling, I look like this. But to Neptunians, I'm 2,795 million miles away, and I look like this. If there were Neptunians. There's no known life on Neptune. Technically, I'm a yellow dwarf star, but I'm still a big, big deal. If I were the size of a basketball, Earth would be smaller than a grain of sand. You could fit about 1 million Earths inside me. But you can't fill me with Earths because I'm hot stuff. Compare a hot summer day, about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A pizza oven, 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The orange-yellow flames in a campfire, about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And then me, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. I can melt diamonds. But then me at my center, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's really hot. Ancient Earthlings thought I circled the Earth. Can you imagine? me revolving around Earth. And some might think I sit in the sky all day and night, but I got moves, baby. I'm spinning. And because I'm not solid, my middle moves faster than my top and bottom. The middle takes about 25 Earth days to rotate, and the top and bottom take about 36 Earth days to rotate. Don't try this at home. I'm not only important, I'm generous and good looking. The sun makes sunrises, sunsets, the northern lights, and the southern lights. Sit back and enjoy the show. Sometimes I like to be mysterious and sneak away for a few minutes. Solar eclipse! But don't worry, I'm just behind the moon. While I'm astronomically bigger than the moon, 400 times wider, the moon is astronomically closer to the Earth, almost 400 times closer. My neighbor stars have fancy names. Meet Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri B. Me, I just need 3 letters. Give me an S. Give me a U. Give me an N. What's that spell? Sun. Sun, sun, he's our star, light and heat from afar. Please note, that's a capital S. I am important. Not to hog the spotlight, but I've still got it. I'm the same hot, bright star I've always been. A stable star is a good star. You don't want your sun getting hotter or cooling off. That would be really messy. So grab your shades. I plan to be in the biz for another 6 billion years. You and me, we've got a bright future together. Thank you for joining me this week for another Starry Storytime. I can't wait to see you again next week.